because someone was so famous from Beaufort, but his mom was from the island that's between us and the island of Port Royal, the city of Beaufort sits on. Now the world is hearing his name. I'm going to give y'all a little hint. Associated with a ship. Who am I talking about?
Robert Small.
Robert Small. So I actually know Robert Small's family and have presented for them over the years, very close with them. But this one particular day across the road, I nicknamed this particular gentleman Robert Small. And I thought it was going to be a nickname between me and him. Just and I talked to him. I said, hey, Robert Smalls. He said, how you doing, Queen? And we go with our business. But he got elected to the town council for the city of Beaufort. And I was like, yes, you know, Councilman Mitchell. He said, call my real name. I said, Robert Smalls. And he wanted it on the record. So everybody in there laughed, but they didn't know our inside joke and how long I've been calling him Robert Small. So anytime that he reaches out to me and we see each other at any events, I'm like, well, good evening, Robert Small. He said, good evening, Queen. And so it's an honor. When they contacted me from the city of Beaufort, they were very apologetic because for the first time ever, Gullah Geechee Family Day and the Water Festival of Beaufort are overlapping. That event only ends the weekend before ours. So for some reason this year they're overlapping. So I said, well, we just gonna all celebrate together. So they said, well, now we're trying to find who can come to you because we want to issue a proclamation. And who said they would come? Sail down the river. But Robert Small. Yes.
We know that whenever the Queen calls, we answer, right? So that was an easy one, and I need to get the proclamation.
Make sure to project your voice because we got that extra air conditioner trying to outdo you.
Okay, I'll try. So by way of introduction, I'm Mitch Mitchell. Real name is Harold Leroy Mitchell. Everyone calls me Mitch now, including my wife. And so
we don't pretty talk.
Yeah, but I really love Robert Smalls. I mean, what an honor to be called Robert Smalls. It doesn't get better than that. So I love the Queen.
I love you too.
Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and my Queen too. So it's indeed my honor to be here to read this proclamation from the city. And on behalf of the city of Beaufort, where I am a city councilman now in my second term, I welcome and thank you for keeping our culture alive. If anyone else had volunteered for this, I would have to fight them for it because this is kind of, I consider this my thing. I wish some of them were here, but they have other things going on, as you can imagine. So with that in mind, I welcome all of you. I'm sure many of you came through the city of Beaufort to get here.
Yeah.
It's the city. It may be northern Beaufort County, it may be St. Helena, but when you think of coming to this area, you think of coming to Beaufort. So again, I welcome you on behalf of Mayor Cromer, Mayor Pro Tem Mike McPhee, Josh Scaletti, and Neil Lipson's council members. And the proclamation reads as follows. Whereas the city of Beaufort was founded in 1711, whereas at the founding, native Gullah Geechee people were here in this coastal region and our state, and whereas the city of Beaufort has continued to celebrate Gullah Geechee culture via festivals and by actively being a part of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and whereas St. Helena Island's own Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, has been an integral part of our city continuing to celebrate this vital culture. And whereas Queen Quet has led the movement to protect the Gullah Geechee culture, human rights, land and water rights for over 4 decades, during which she founded the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition was the first organization in the world history to have Gullah Geechee in its name. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition continues to forward the mission of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Now, therefore, the City Council of the City of Beaufort, South Carolina, hereby proclaims July 25th to August 1st, 2026 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and call upon all citizens to celebrate the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme, Hunter must take care of the root, but heal the tree. In witness thereof, I here to set my hand and cause the seal of the city of Beaufort to be affixed the 7th day of July 2026. Mayor Phil Tromer, Mayor. So.
Good? All right. Yes. So I must say we also want to thank Governor Henry McMaster because he proclaimed Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for the entire state of South Carolina. So he's done that for several years now because as he said to me, look here, Queen, I'm going to stand with you. We got to keep this young culture alive. All right. He let me know that. And so anytime he sees me, there's no overlooking. He covered. He wants to know what's going on and how's it going and whatnot. So we appreciate him for that. And we definitely appreciate the city of Beaufort, the county of Beaufort. Every town in Beaufort County has already done their proclamations, including Hilton Head. My mother and I went over there and received it in person recently. And so if y'all want to see videos of each presentation, just follow GullahGeechee.tv.
Gullah Geechee.